we're gonna race the our Aston Martin Vantage S against the Audi R8.
We're going head to head with the 5.2 liter V10 Audi R8 versus a 4.7 liter V8 Aston Martin. Single clutch versus dual clutch. This should be interesting.
We got about a 450 horsepower V8 versus a 525 horsepower V10. Single clutch, dual clutch. Damn, that Aston got up. Woo, shit. That single clutch, it jumped. Holy God, that was quick. That Aston Martin is about 400 pounds lighter than this car. But God, it feels like a real rat race sports car. And that thing, it jumped.
Guys, the Aston Martin dropped it and boogied. Holy crap.
It jumped for a second, didn't it? Yeah, that surprised me.
Dude, I literally thought I dropped the tranny on this thing. I was like, well, there goes the Aston Martin, and he just kept going.
I think, what did I get, maybe 2 or 3 car lengths ahead?
Yeah. Did we start evenly?
Yeah, we were right on the same, we are. And that it may not look as even though, because that thing jumps so much harder than this stuff. This thing still acts like, even though it's naturally aspirated, it almost acts like a supercharger builds up and it goes. And I think what happens is it takes so long for it to go from 3,000-4,000 RPMs up to 10.
What gear were you in?
I think I was in second probably.
I was in first.
Oh, were you?
I was in first.
Oh, shit.
I literally just went, boom. Dude, that sucker went off.
I mean, that was a very intimidating roll for sure. I mean, it literally looked like it was almost in some type of launch control mode, and obviously that car does not have that. You can't do that obviously when it's rolling, but that was really impressive. It was really, really impressive.
This Aston Martin puts it down, guys. Like, you cannot slouch on this car for what it is doing and how it is competing with a V10 R8. This is a 2012 single clutch versus a dual clutch V10 R8. That was so close.
Third or second?
I was in third.
I was in third too. So that was actually really, really close.
That was a really, really good race. Again, the Aston Martin gets that, like, almost that initial jump. Yeah. But the R8's not pulling away like you would think it would.
About maybe what, a car and a half, maybe?
A car, yeah, car and a half. But that's insane, man.
Really good race.
That was a really, really good race.